Leviticus chapter 19 verse 18 says, "Do not seek revenge or bear any grudges against anyone among your people, but love your neighbor as I love yourself. And as you love yourself, I am the Lord." Because Lord is saying you do not have to take any revenge, or you do not have to bear any grudges, and you do not have to take all the things which is against the Bible and all the things. But we people always wants to do and take revenge, because we are not good enough in forgiving anyone, because we want to take if the person who did bad to us, and in our life we also have to do bad to them, and it's all called revenge. But you do not have to do like that. You always give to God, and you have to pray for them who did bad to you. You have to pray and ask God for their wisdom and guidance. Then surely God will see them God will see them, and you do not have to bear any grudges and revenge, all that thing. So number 4 is prayer for life without getting any challenges. Some of people want a life which is straightly go, and didn't have any challenges in their life, and didn't get any trials and all that thing, and they also didn't want to do sacrifice for their life, and even they didn't want to sacrifice for their things. They only want a wealthy life, but without getting any challenges. But in James chapter 1 verse 2 till 4 says, "Consider it pure joy, my brother and sisters, wherever you face trials of many kinds of, because you know that that of your faith produces perseverance, and let perseverance finish it work, that you may be mature, complete, not looking anything." But you all hard times are often even harder, when they feel pointless. But according to Paul in the book of Romans, significant purpose, there are many struggles, and all the things happen to them, and they see trials and many struggles. But they even if they in our life there is trials, and we have to see sacrifice of our life, or if we see any challenges, there is a significant purpose for life, and we can reach. And in that scenario, and in that era of our life, we always have to rejoice, and we have to run, and we have to face our problem and our trials. So don't give up. Put a faith into God, because He cares for you, and you